With North American capital markets proving challenging, offshore capital is an attractive option. Concerns over European sovereign debt issues and a global economic recession, this has translated into a pullback in current equity market valuations. Mining companies focused on asset development have seen this risk being reflected in considerable share price declines. Volatility is expected to continue as resolution to these issues is not seen in the near term. This uncertainty has resulted in certain challenges in raising capital as financial investors are unwilling to commit additional funding. An attractive option has been to look beyond traditional funding sources. Asia broadly, China, Korea, Japan, are actively looking to commit capital to secure long-term access to key resources. We have found that this group of investors is prepared to look through current capital market valuations and invest directly at the project level. The joint venture structure has proved attractive in securing growth capital and allow capital projects to move forward. This solution results in an ability to raise capital at very attractive valuations without conceding corporate control. Mergers and acquisitions is a viable growth strategy for the resource sector. Year to date in 2011, there have been over 800 transactions announced worth in excess of 130 billion US. Although somewhat slowing in the third quarter, this level of activity has resulted in making it the busiest half year of M&A in the mining sector's history. With international markets' continued need for raw materials, much of the activity is expected to continue in areas such as fertilizer, oil and natural gas, and metals and mining. With reduced equity valuations and challenging financing markets, we expect a continued wave of resource industry consolidation. With this backdrop, there continues to be a need to emphasize M&A as a viable growth strategy for resource companies of all sizes. Companies with strong cash balances and valuations will need to focus on offensive M&A to utilize highly valued multiples. Companies in need of capital need to consider taking advantage of the acquisition activity as a rational option in maximizing shareholder value, defensive M&A. It's important to note international buyers continue to be active in looking to resource-rich Canada for companies with attractive resource properties.